Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. We are just 3 days away from Christmas Eve now, and I hope you're getting to watch all of your favorite Christmas movies this week. I know my go-tos are always The Grinch, Elf, and Home Alone, but I'd love to hear from you guys on some of your favorite Christmas movies in the comments down below. Now this morning, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to follow the link in the description down below to download the TipRanks mobile app so you can access all of your favorite research tools on the go and benefit from the wisdom of thousands of analysts and corporate insiders and hedge funds. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the green this morning. Right now, Dow futures are up 0.65%, S&P 500 futures up 0.42%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.2%. Elon Musk has responded to his Twitter poll, saying he will resign as Twitter's CEO. Following the weekend's poll, where over 57% of people voted that he should step down as head of Twitter, early this morning, Elon Musk said, "I will resign as CEO as soon as I find someone foolish enough to take the job. After that, I will just run the software and servers teams." So we will wait and see how long that job search takes. Meanwhile, the Tesla stock has been hurting, many blaming the absence of Elon Musk as his focus has been on Twitter. But Elon Musk does not agree that that is the reason behind Tesla's stock decline. In a recent tweet from CEO of Gerber Kawasaki Wealth, he said, "Tesla stock price now reflects the value of having no CEO. Great job, Tesla board of directors. Time for a shakeup." The Tesla stock fell 8% yesterday and is down over 40% in the last 6 months, well off from their 52-week high of over $400 per share. But Elon Musk doesn't think it's his fault. He's blaming rising interest rates for the stock decline. He said as bank savings account interest rates, which are guaranteed, start to approach stock market returns, people will increasingly move their money out of stocks into cash. But as we know, Tesla is closely tied to Elon Musk, so we'll see how it affects this moving forward once he finds that Twitter replacement. Yesterday, the Tesla stock did pick up 2 buy ratings and 1 hold, and currently has an average upside potential of over 100%. According to the Wall Street Journal, YouTube is in advanced talks with the NFL to gain rights to their NFL Sunday Ticket. The report stated that an agreement between the two could be reached as early as today after a meeting between NFL owners who approved the rights deal. They did not specify the terms of the deal, but according to another report, YouTube is likely to pay $2.5 billion every year to the NFL. That will be $1 billion more than AT&T's DirecTV, which has had the exclusive rights for the past few years. Analysts currently rate the Google stock a unanimous strong buy with an average upside of 43%. Four Corners Property Trust is scooping up new properties, including oil change services and urgent cares. They recently acquired 5 Jiffy Lube properties for $7.9 million located in highly trafficked corridors in Indiana. They also scooped up a WellNow urgent care property for $2.4 million in Michigan. Analysts currently rate the REIT a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 4%. And shares of Six Flags are on the rise this morning after an activist investor took a stake in the company and is saying that they want Six Flags to sell or spin off their real estate. With a 3% stake in Six Flags, activist Land and Buildings Investment Management is in talks with the Six Flags CEO about splitting the business into operating and property companies. They say that Six Flags real estate alone is worth more than the company's current 1.7 market cap, and that the real estate and private equity firms would be interested in acquiring the land. The Six Flags stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 25%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we're still waiting to hear from Carnival Cruise Line and Cintas Corporation, and in the after hours, we'll hear from Micron. Nike is on the rise this morning after they reported their earnings last night, beating both earnings and revenue expectations. They reported Q2 earnings per share of 85 cents, beating estimates by 21 cents per share. Their revenue of $13.3 billion grew 17% year over year and came in $740 million ahead of estimates. Analysts currently rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 15%. And FedEx is also in the green this morning, despite offering a light full-year forecast. They did beat on earnings but missed on revenue. Their Q2 earnings per share came in at $3.18, beating estimates by 36 cents per share, while revenue of $22.8 billion did fall slightly, down 3% year over year, and $920 million shy of expectations. Analysts currently rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 17.5%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Nike following their earnings. Trading under the ticker NKE, the stock is currently up 10.75%. They're followed by Natura & Co. Holding under NTCO up 6.8% and Fluence Energy under FLNC up 5.35%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by Health Equity. The only news I could find was that one website lowered their rating to a sell. Trading under the ticker HQY, the stock is currently down 4.2%. They're followed by Universal Health under UHS, down over 3%, and Rexford Industrial Realty under REXR, also down just over 3%. So that is going to be everything for Wednesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Thank you so much for all the Christmas dessert ideas yesterday. I am going to go with an apple pie, but doing it a little different than normal and making some ginger molasses cookies to go with it as well. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.